Right guys, this is LRC32. It is the interior plastics cleaner and car dashboard cleaner. Again, this has a locked trigger spray, as you can clearly see. I'm going to turn it around the other way because when that starts coming out, when I unlock it, it'll be me that will be getting sprayed with dashboard cleaner. Water-based, natural product, so it's not a problem. Anyway, under here is a little trigger lock. You just slide that either to the left or right, like so, and the trigger opens and sprays the product out. So, obviously, you will need a Brocal brush, mini or a maxi, or you can use something like a Tampico or a harder plastic brush for cleaning your plastic trim. So you just simply spray on. It doesn't matter about getting this near or on your leather. This is not going to harm your leather in any way, shape or form in the slightest. It is a natural product. So just simply scrub in with the brush, like so, creating a really nice foam action as you go. And just give it a good scrub and a deep clean around all like your switch areas and stuff like that. This will remove in-ground dirt and grime that you've maybe got on the surface and things like that, to get rid of all that off the surface as well. And just simply wipe over like so to remove all the dirt and grime. And then leave to dry naturally. It produces a very nice matte finish on the surface. Not shiny, perfect matte, just like it was brand new. That is the effect that you get with the dashboard cleaner LRC32.